Assalamu alaikum, friend. Welcome to Dr. Casey Academy. My name is Muslim Khan, and this is the first video for AutoCAD tutorial series. So, in this video, we will learn that how to download and install AutoCAD free for students. So, this is not any trick or correct version of AutoCAD. This is the genuine method that you can download AutoCAD if you are a student of any university. So first of all, you have to search in any search engine that I have. This is the Microsoft Edge. So you have to search autodesk.com and enter. You can see here, this is the website of Autodesk. You can see here. So this is the here is the option of sign in. As already I have the account, so I will sign in. In your case, you can make your own account as well. This is my number. So click on next, sign in. You have to put your password. Then click on sign in. It will take time due to internet issue. So you can see here my account has been signed in. So you have to click here education. Now you have to click here select product. As you are student, that's why I have to click an education or student version. You can see here different softwares. So I have to download AutoCAD. Here click on select. It will take little bit time. So now you have to click on access products. So due to internet issue, it take time. Then you can see here all products and services. Now here you can see AutoCAD. This is AutoCAD, and you can see here is its different versions. 2025. Now this is we here we have. So you can see here its different version. So I have to download its 2024 version. So click on install, accept. It will take little bit time. So click on this. It will take little bit time. For your information, the new version of any Autodesk software are released before 1 year. Generally in the last 10 days of March, usually 24, 26. So this will take little bit time. So we have the AutoCAD 2024 version. It is downloaded. So click on this. Now you have to install it on your laptop. So you have to double click on it. Now you have to yes. Generally it take time because it is a heavy software. So this is its interface to disk. So it's preparing. Generally it take times. So we have to wait for it. Now you can see here that you have to click on next. Now install. As before, I have it's install version 2024. That's why I have to cancel it. In your case, you can install here. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts about creating accounts or anything else, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.